Hey guys, how is it all going on? Hope your day is going well because mine's going great. Xiaomi announced the Redmi Note 5 and the Note 5 Pro, which became blockbuster phones, and Xiaomi ain't going to stop making blockbuster phones. The Xiaomi A2 is coming soon, but more about that phone in a separate video. This one is all about the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Xiaomi recently announced the Redmi 6 Pro. Hey, wait up, it's not the Redmi Note 6 Pro, it's just Redmi 6 Pro. So these are different. The phone features a notch, so nothing. We are way past the point about talking about notches. Some like it, some hate it, so no talk about the notch. The notch itself isn't the biggest one, nor the smallest one. The bottom bezel is almost the same size as the bezel of the Note 5 Pro. The back of the phone also looks similar to the Note 5 Pro. Now look, this isn't exactly the Redmi Note 6 Pro, but Note 6 will look like this. Maybe not exactly 100% like this, but pretty close to this one. And I'm sure that it will feature a notch, which by the way, just like other Android OEMs, you can turn the notch off from the settings. The RAM will be 6GB and internal memory 64GB. They used Snapdragon 636 in the Note 5 Pro, so maybe it can be a better 600 series chipset or maybe 700 series chipset, who knows. But for sure, Xiaomi won't use low tier processors like what Motorola did with the G6. I'm sure Motorola had their reasons, but Motorola 400 series chipset don't make the cut. Xiaomi will use best processor they can get at the price. The camera of the Redmi Note 5 Pro is a real good one, and it will get even better. Hey guys, don't blame me. We are in June, so July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. That's 8 months. We are 8 months away from the launch. That's why we don't have any information about the specs, guys. But we have info about the notch on the Redmi Note 6, and it never gets old. Pro. Let me know guys what you think about this notch on the Redmi Note 6. I will cover everything about the Redmi Note 6, so make sure to subscribe for that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.